Hello, fruit lovers. I had a nice haul today. I picked up some wonderful fruit. These here in the front are called black sapote, these here. And it's the chocolate pudding fruit. This one is pretty much ready because you can see how soft it is. And that's what that word sapote is, soft in Spanish. And it's the chocolate pudding fruit because it's the color, it's got that chocolate dark brown color. It's sweet, it's nice. It's not super sweet, okay? So, I mean, if you really wanted like chocolate pudding, you may have to add dates and some cacao, but by itself, it does give you that feeling of chocolate pudding. And then I picked up some Hachiya Persimmons, beautiful. I still have a couple of the fuyus left. And fruit is the way to go. Let me show you the inside of this one here. Okay, there you go. That's the inside. And see, you can grow a tree from that seed right there. But it's got a nice, sweet taste. Let me just taste a little. Very nice. The texture, it's mushy, like pudding, and awesome stuff. I have 4 black sapote trees in the yard that I planted by seed, and they're doing nice. I'll show you those a little later. But what I wanted to talk about is that fruit is the deal. Learn to eat more fruit. It's going to help your health tremendously. You know, because a lot of people today are living on stimulants, okay, just to function and get up and do things. You know, what are stimulants? Things like coffee, chocolate. By the way, you could add carob to this and it would be really nice. You know, but that's, do I ever eat chocolate or I don't drink coffee, no. And I very, very rarely eat chocolate. But I would say, you know, I'm not going to say I'll never eat it because I don't know. Maybe in the future, if I needed a little pick-me-up and I had nothing else, I would eat some chocolate. Or other things that may be stimulants like hot peppers, cayenne, what else is there? Mustard, you know, things like that, which can be very tasty, very tasty. But you pay a price when you eat stimulants. You know, anything that you cannot make a meal out of by itself is not really a natural food for us. But fruits always taste good. They always taste good. Some are really super sweet and some are, you know, not so sweet or kind of tart. But they always have a nice taste. And the thing with fruits, they don't give you that sudden jolt, you know, where you eat hot peppers or drink coffee or whatever. You get that stimulating effect. You don't get that with fruit. You get a slow burning fuel that works extremely well. It's what we're designed for. And stimulants can cause all kinds of problems. You can get headaches. You can get body aches. You can, you know, you can't sleep well. So fruit is really the best food on the planet. And the reason for this channel, the whole reason is just to promote the food we were designed for and encourage people to eat more of this and whatever fruits you can get. I'm just blessed because I live in Florida and I can get mangoes, I get watermelons, you know, oranges, citrus, grapefruits. Remember that. Let me take you out and show you the black sapote trees. Okay, heading out into the backyard. This is a Hamlin orange tree. We had some really nice oranges from that tree this year. I got some banana trees over here. Mango tree in the back there. This is a Valencia orange. Another Valencia orange. And here's one I just planted the other day. And I've been mulching all the trees. You know, keep the weeds down, and you know, these chips turn into great fertilizer. Okay, back here, I've got a mulberry tree, and that's been grafted, so that should come back strong. I just had to really get the weeds away from it. I mulched it. Okay, here are my black sapote trees that I planted from seed, and they're doing well. I'm really happy. Look at this guy. You know, they've been, I don't know, 4 or 5 years I've had them. And this one here, I've got 4 of these trees, and they're awesome trees. And like I say, I've just been mulching them, and they're doing really well. Over here, you know, I think this is a Sapodilla tree. I'm pretty sure that I grew from seed, and it's doing okay. Here's another Sapodilla. This one here is Mamey Sapote, which is an awesome, awesome fruit if you've never had it. It's fantastic. And what else? I've got another Mamey over there. I've got 2 mango trees in the back there. This one right here, that's a sugar apple. It's starting to come back strong now. I just weeded around it and mulched it. This is avocado here. And another Mamey tree here. Back here I've got my composting, and I've got fig tree right here. Mango. Sapodilla here. If you've never had Sapodilla, oh my goodness. Great fruit. Tastes like a pear with cinnamon. Another sugar apple, or Atamoya, Cherimoya, Guanabana. They're all in the same family. Over here, a couple of mango trees. I got 3 mango trees right there. This is another Sapodilla. Sapodilla back here. And this is guava. It's not doing that great right now, but I think it'll come back. I got a weed. See, this is the way a lot of the trees were. I've been super busy with tennis, and you know, time to weed these and mulch them, it takes a lot of time and effort. So anyway, that's what I got going. And if you can, you know, plant. If you have property where you can plant, go for it. Whatever, you know, might grow in your area, it helps. Okay, here's a Guanabana tree, which is in the, here's another one. They're both in the sugar apple family, Cherimoya, Atamoya. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour of the farm. And you know, the mangoes, I have so many mango trees, like these 2 big ones back here, and I get a lot of those. But remember, try to eat as little stimulating food as you can. Why do I say that? Because you pay the price. How do you pay the price? It's foreign to your body. It's a harsh substance like garlic. I know it tastes pretty good, it's interesting, it stimulates you, but you pay the price because it's not natural for your body. And what happens is, that's why you end up with a headache or a body ache, or you can't sleep well, and because your body is working overtime, and that's why you're tired. Your body's working overtime to get rid of it because it's not a natural food. So I know this sounds a little tough for some people to take, but it's the truth of the matter. You know, the simpler we eat and the foods that are more designed for us, like fruits, the easier our life is going to go. We're going to have less aches and pains. We're going to sleep better. We're going to have more energy, more clarity. So, you know, I can't promote fruit enough. I'm so thankful to the Creator for fruit. I mean, it really does a body good. It energizes you, but not with the, it's a slow energy release. It's not the up and the down that you get from stimulating foods. So, and even, if you're eating other things like beans or potatoes or whatever, don't use as many condiments and vinegars and all that stuff and these hot peppers, and that's what, saps your body's energy, because they're not, natural foods that let's say, were designed to eat, because originally it was fruit, and that was basically it. And, we can't even imagine how many different kinds of fruit there are, and different tastes and textures, so I'm just beginning to explore. So I look forward to learning more. So if you like this video, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, I don't know what to say, but anyway, I'm telling you the truth. That's the way things are. So, and it's not like I want to be the food police. I'm not the food police. Everyone, has the right to eat whatever they want. And, but, I'm just saying, if you're experiencing difficulty, it could be you're eating too much stimulating food and not keeping your meals simple, and increasing the amount of fruit in your diet. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you can. Please subscribe to the channel. Any questions or comments, put those below. I'll do my best to help you out. Take care. All the best to your health success.